Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Genshin Impact game files verification error on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on search and then you just need to write Genshin Impact and right click on it, open file location, and on your shortcut, then you need to just press properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator, right? And if this did not work for you, then you just need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and then here you need to write a few commands. First one is nesh winsock reset, and another one is ipconfig/flush DNS. And after that, if you put these commands, you just need to restart your computer and your router if there is a possibility for you. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then I suggest you to open up settings. Then you need to go to network and internet and then select advanced network settings, select your internet here, or first reset your network. Just reset your network and reset now and restart your computer. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. But if you're using Wi-Fi connection, remember that you need to put your password again once your network is reset, right? And after that, if the problem persists, you just need to select your network connection. For me, it's this one. Then you need to just go and open more adapter options and change your DNS settings. To do so, you just need to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then you need to select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. It's just Google DNS servers, and it could work for you better. And also you can just Google it out your maybe other DNS servers, and then you can put it out here. And after that, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.